Alright, so today we're going to get an introduction to a lot of different identities that we're going to be using throughout the year. So now that you guys know what sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent are, we're going to be able to expand on that. So, what we know first of all is called the reciprocal identities. And I'm going to write evil twin next to them because that's how you can remember. We talked about how they're evil twin because they're the same thing, only they're flipped. So it's like the reciprocal. So we would say sine of theta equals 1 over cosecant. Cosine of theta equals 1 over secant. Tangent of theta equals 1 over cotangent, and then we write these over here. Cosecant of theta equals 1 over sine, and so on. So what we're doing is we're saying that our identity is the same thing as the reciprocal of its evil twin. Which is what we were saying before, only now we're doing it. Instead of using x, y's, and r's, we're using the actual sines, cosines, and tangents. There's one other small thing I want to add in this section here. These are called ratio identities. Now before I told you guys that sine goes with the y, cosine goes with the x. That's going to apply here because we said that tangent was y over x. Well, that's the same thing as saying sine of theta over cosine of theta. And since cotangent is its evil twin, it's that same thing